Hi guys, mulayas mi karon with my classmate. Mga mig Japan. Okay? So part 3. Get ready muna tayo guys. Diba? Open natin to. Ay, hindi. Hindi natin to i-open. Hindi. I-open. Ano ba? Uy, ayaw! Ayaw! Sige man, kagunsang. O, ako na bahala dira. Mangunsa ta. So, tapos, we're gonna pack our luggage, guys. So, we're gonna pack. Ikaw po, diri, uy. Diri, uy. Okay, dali. Diri. So we have our wallet here. Our wallet has so many money. It's 1,000. And we're gonna put it in our luggage. My luggage. And this is my luggage. And my scrunchie. My panyo and my bag. Oh, yan eh. Trash na. So, I'm gonna get my phone holder. I'm gonna pack my phone holder. Ikaw ka ba, charger? Charger? Ay, may suday pala. Yeah? And I am the speaker. Kay mag-sound kami. Charger. Guys, sorry guys. Kaya garas meron. Yeah, charger mine. Tapos, mag-pack din tayo ng unlan. Mag-pack din tayo ng unlan, guys. Okay. Ay, dili. Uy, dili. Pack. Piso. Ito yung ano natin, guys. Yung i-ano natin sa airplane, ipambayad. Diba? Oo. So, bayad natin. So, i-hold lang natin to sa aming kamay. Ha! Talipon. Our phone, of course. Our phone. I will put this in my luggage.